Good evening, Finance and Governance Committee Chair and committee members, Honorable Mayor and City Council members. I am Steve Howlett, Assistant Public Works Director, and this item is the fiscal year 2023 and 24 Landscape Maintenance District initiation of proceedings to levy assessments, approval of a consolidated engineer's report, and declaration of intention to levy assessments. Recommendation: that the Finance and Governance Committee recommend that the City Council, acting as the legislative body of the City of Oxnard's landscape maintenance districts, 1, adopt a resolution of the City Council of the City of Oxnard to initiate proceedings to levy assessments against real property for fiscal year 2023 and 24 in connection with the city's landscape maintenance districts. And 2, adopt a resolution of the City Council of the City of Oxnard approving a consolidated engineer's report regarding assessments against real property for fiscal year 2023 and 24 in connection with the city's landscape maintenance districts. And 3, adopt a resolution of the City Council of the City of Oxnard declaring its intention to levy assessments against real property for fiscal year 2023 and 24 in connection with the city's landscape maintenance districts. Here is a map of the LMDs, well, all of the special districts within the City of Oxnard. The items in yellow are the LMDs we're discussing. Background: the Special Districts Division of the Public Works Department manages 48 assessment districts, which includes 36 landscape maintenance districts. The city has allowed property owners, in other words, developers, to use special financing districts, known as LMDs, to fund the annual cost of maintaining certain public improvements that benefit the properties within the district. Typically, the developer installed the public improvements at the time of the development, and benefiting property owners pay for the cost of maintaining the improvements through a special assessment included on the annual property tax bill. Revenue received from the assessment funds the costs to provide special benefit as outlined in the consolidated engineer's report. Assessments are levied annually and collected on the property tax roll. Each year, the City Council must conduct proceedings to levy the assessments. Revenue received from the assessments partially funds the ongoing maintenance of public improvements provided by each district, and in some cases, is collected for future work that is conducted on a less than annual basis. If the committee approves the recommendation in this report, a public hearing will be set for June 20th, 2023, during which the City Council will consider 3 resolutions. If adopted by Council, the resolutions will: 1, initiate proceedings to levy the annual assessments; 2, approve the consolidated engineer's report for the districts; and 3, declare the intent to levy assessments on the fiscal year 2023 and 24 property tax roll. This is a process that is required each year. The Landscape and Lighting Assessment Act of 1972 requires the City Council to annually initiate proceedings by resolution, approve the consolidated engineer's report through a resolution, and state the council's intent to levy the annual assessment through a resolution. In compliance with the Act, an annual review and evaluation of each district's revenues and expenditures contained in the consolidated engineer's report is conducted. This report consolidates the city's 36 LMDs into a single report, but evaluates each district individually. The report includes a description of the improvements, the projected annual maintenance costs, and the funding to be collected for projects done on less than an annual basis, if any, the method of assessment apportionment for each lot or parcel within each district's boundary, and a diagram showing the parcels within that district. The report also provides an analysis of each district's annual financial status. It separates the portions of costs of benefit, other costs funded by non-assessment fund, and the cost of special benefit to the benefiting properties is funded by the applied assessment rate. The actual services provided to each district varies from district to district and are based upon the property owner approved services and funding. The applied assessment rate is the amount needed to fund the services of each district and is the amount actually levied on the property tax roll. It cannot exceed the maximum assessment rate that was originally approved for each district. After completing an individual analysis of each district's current level of service, anticipated expenditures, fund balance, assigned reserve levels, and future work, it is recommended to set the applied rates as set forth in the report. Parcel-specific detail of the proposed maximum and applied assessment is included in the report as attached and is also available from the city clerk's office and accessible from the city's website. Costs considered to be general benefit as defined in the report are not allowed to be assessed to the properties and therefore are apportioned as a non-assessment fund expense. The general fund is proposed to cover additional costs, which are outlined in the fiscal impact section of this report. The fiscal year 2023 and 24 proposed operating budget includes funds necessary to cover these costs. Funds received for the benefit of each district are restricted and can only be used within that district for purposes for which they were collected. Some of the district's applied assessment rates are proposed to increase from last year. This is to account for services such as district-wide tree trimming, sidewalk grinding, removal and replacement of displaced sidewalks, irrigation repair, electrical systems repair, and lighting repair and replacement. The assessment is levied at a rate that is no higher than the maximum assessment. The deadline for delivering the assessment information to the Ventura County is July 5th, 2023. Financial impact. For fiscal year 2023 and 24, the preliminary total projected expenditures for the LMDs is $3,865,311.60. This will be funded through $683,725.51 in 2023 and 24 real property assessments, $2,803,375.95 in existing funds in the LMD accounts, $17,151 from interest income, a general benefit contribution of $297,089.06 from the general fund, and a subsidy from the general fund of $63,970.08 for utility overages. This concludes the staff report, and staff is available for any questions. Thank you.